Hey friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Rumi holding a heart for Valentine's Day, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started by splitting our paper in half. So right in the middle, we're going to draw in a small arch line for the center, for the nose, and then coming underneath, we're going to replicate that, just curving this around and through towards the side. Let's step over now. So coming up on a diagonal on the left, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the left eye. And then we'll line this up at the exact same height, stepping across to the right, replicating that. Now on the inside corner, on the top, let's just draw in a nice big circle for the highlight of the eye. And now we're going to come down on a diagonal, drawing in a second circle, making this one smaller for that second highlight. Now let's just color in the eye black. We're going to add in some little eyelashes on the corner here, or on the edge. So we're going to come up and we're going to curve this line out, pulling that back in, creating a small triangle. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then again, stepping down, replicating that one more time. And then again, let's just color this in black. Now let's add in some eyebrows. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, just kind of rounding that out above the eye. We'll start on the inside now, rounding that out again, curving this back around and through on the side. Let's move up. In the middle for the hair now, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we'll move up. Again, replicating that, curving this around and pulling this back through on the right. Let's close off the face now on the inside. So stepping down, we're going to curve this around, flattening this out, pulling this beside the eye. We'll step across, replicating that on the opposite side. And now let's round out the chin. So coming back down, we're going to round out the cheek here, curving this over, flattening that out as we come through towards the middle. And then we're just going to replicate this again on the right-hand side, pulling this over and back in, connecting that together. Let's step across now for the ear. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a half circle. We'll line this up at the exact same height on the right-hand side, replicating that, tucking that back in. Let's add in some details inside the ears on the top, just curving that line out. And now coming down, just drawing in a half circle directly underneath. Let's move up. On the left-hand side, curving this around, pulling this down towards the top of the ear. We'll replicate this on the right-hand side, curving this over and through, connecting that down. Let's add in some more of the braid on the left-hand side. So stepping over, curving this around, pulling that down. Moving across again, replicating that. Now let's come down. We're going to tuck this all the way over and through towards the side of the head. And then stepping down again, let's replicate that. We're going to do this one more time, angling this in towards the cheek. We'll take a break from drawing the braid because we're going to have it falling behind the body now. So we want to close off the body here. So leaving a gap from the center, stepping over on both sides, we're just going to curve this line out and we're going to end that at the exact same height. We're going to close off the collar of the jacket. So we're just going to arch this line out on both sides. And then now from that corner, just curving this back around and in towards the chin. Come in towards the middle, closing off the top. We're just going to draw in a slight curved line. And we're just going to add in a little necklace here. So stepping down, let's draw in a circle directly in the center of both of those lines. And now from here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out. Let's move down and draw in the arms now. So we're going to start on the left-hand side for the shoulder, curving this out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Now we're going to focus on the arm coming out, holding the heart. So we're going to arch this around and through. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, lining that up at the same height as best as we can. Now let's start drawing in the hand. So we're going to start on this line, curving this around and in for the pinky. Moving in towards the center, we're just going to draw in a curved line, arching that across. And now let's move up again one more time, replicating that, arching that back in. Now let's close off the heart. So in the center here, we're just going to draw in a small dot. We'll move down, lining this up at the same height towards the bottom. We're going to connect this together now. So from that center point, we're going to curve this up, arching this around and down towards the top of the finger there. And then we'll step across on the left-hand side, replicating that. Now we're going to join this, angling this into that dot in the center. So imagining this comes through underneath the hand, we're just going to curve this around, pulling that in. And now from the center, dragging that back up towards the right hand, finishing off the heart. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, closing off the arm of the jacket. And then we're going to start on this bottom line, curving this around, tucking that in to finish off the hand. Let's continue to move through. So on the left-hand side of this heart on the bottom, we're going to curve this line out towards the side. Do the exact same thing on the right for the shorts. We're going to curve this in towards that heart on the edge. And then just adding in a small little pattern here, just replicating that on the side. Let's close off the leg, stepping out on the left and right hand side, diagonal line coming across. We'll move over, replicating that, angling that in this time, ending that at the same height. We're going to add in some boots now. So stepping over, curving this across. We'll replicate that on the left-hand side. Now from here, let's draw a diagonal line coming in towards the inside. And then now stepping across, let's draw another diagonal line coming in. Let's close off the bottom of the shoe. So we're just going to round this out, curving this over, pulling that back in on the side. Let's come in and add in more details. So we're going to close off the sole of the shoe. So just drawing in an arch line, stepping over. Now from here, we're going to curve two diagonal lines from the center. We'll replicate that, mirroring it in the opposite direction. Let's pull this straight up to the top. Now lastly, we're just going to finish off the braid coming in behind. So on the left hand side here, we're just going to arch this line down towards the shoulder. Then we're going to kind of snake it through on the right. So we're going to come underneath, curving this around, pulling that back up towards the arm. Let's step under, replicating that again, curving that through towards the side. Now one more time, coming underneath, drawing in a nice big arch line. And then underneath, stepping further in, just curving this around and through. And now let's draw on the bottom of that braid. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, tucking that down, curving that in towards the foot. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, arching this over, pulling that in on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Rumi holding a heart. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.